Today I start new topic, if statement of C programming language. Okay. After I will tell to today some relational operators are used in if statement. That is, first is greater than. It's called as greater than. You know this operator. Second is less than. After that, greater than, equal to. These operators are used in programming and also for theoretical question. It is used for 2-3 it is asked for 2-3 marks. Okay. Less than, equal to. Then you know these all operators. It is asking in exam or test 2-3 marks. Greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, equal to. This is a relational operator for. Then it is used two operators. Here use two operators. Only single equal operator is used for assignment operator, but here relational operator, it is used 2 times equal to sign. After that, not equal to also used here. These 6 relational operators are used for if statement, if, while, do while. Okay. After that, some logical operators are also used in C programming languages. These logical operators are also used in if statement, while statement, do while statement, for statement. These are 2 times and is used here. Is called AND operator. And somewhere used capital A and D, also used some statement or some programming, or some programming used and these symbol also used in C programming, and symbol is going to use. And for or this is a logical OR operator. Capital OR also used. Capital OR is used in that is a electrical subject. Capital AND is used in also electrical subject, that is finding a K-map equations, K-map sums. They are used these two operators, and in C programming use these symbols. Okay. Now I explain you if statement. I will creating 2 programs if statement. How to do how to means how to write a C program using if statement. There I use some, that is a program is finding number is even or odd. How to find number is even or odd? We find number if number is divided by 2 and remainder is 0, then that number is called as even number. And if number is not divided by 2 and remainder is not 0, means it is not divided by 2, that number is called as odd number. Then how to write this program number is even or odd? For that, starting from header files, that is I told you hash include stdio.h. All types means all if statement or simple programs or while program, do while program, they are use same format of C programming, starting from void main. After that, opening curly bracket. Here I finding enter number is even or odd. For that, I will take integer number, that is number variable I used here. I take some statement, that is printf enter number. It will display on output screen what is you going to enter a number. That number will come in number variable. After that, %d and ampersand number will accept here in no variable. Okay. Here main logic is here. If statement, if keyword is used here, no variable will include the what number we will enter in no variable, that will come in no variable. Okay. Number is mod. Here we use modulus sign is divided by 2. We write here 2 or equal to 0. means what we number enter here will come in no variable is mod 2 and equal to here assigning operator will not here use, here equal to is used, means relational operator is used and remainder is 0. If this condition is true, means which number will enter and will divide by 2 and remainder will come 0, that number is even number. Then we will print here even number, or you can write your own sentence here, entered number is even number. Okay, if or suppose you enter another number which are not even number, but you enter odd number, then how will define computer that entered number is odd or even number? We write here number divided by 2 is equal to 0, that number will come even number. If number is not divided by 2, then it will come in else part, and after else opening curly bracket, write here printf. I will write in on new next page printf, that number will not come in this condition, means not divided by 2, that is odd number. Printf here, that is entered number is odd number. Okay, understand how to write finding a number is even or odd. You can write all another programs, that is entered student pass or fail. That time you entered subjects in integer format, enter subject names, enter subject marks, and calculate total marks, calculate average. If write their condition, if a student condition, what is condition? Student's marks is greater than equal to 35, then student will pass, and below 35 that student will fail. Like this you write another programs. Now I will explain another next program, that is else if statement, greatest of 3 numbers, new program. I will explain you greatest of 3 numbers. How to write this program? Else if statement will be used here. For that, starting from header file, hash include stdio.h. After that, void main. After that, here I entering 3 numbers, entering 3 integer numbers, that is n1, n2, n3. Okay. I calculating greatest of 3 numbers, which number is greater. Here I writing a statement, enter 3 numbers. It will display on output screen, and accepting the 3 numbers from scanf. I write here %d, %d, %d 3 times, because I have to enter 3 numbers, and 3 times ampersand number 1, ampersand number 2, and ampersand number 3. Okay. After that, we have to write a if statement, means condition. If how to write number 1, how to write a condition for these? Number 1 is, if number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 3, right? For that condition, if number 1 is greater than number 2, here we use a logical AND operator, and number 1 is greater than number 3. Number 3. See here, what is the condition? If number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 1 is greater than number 3, means here in both conditions number 1 is greater. Right here, printf statement, number 1 is greater. I again explain this program in practical. Here I explaining you in theoretically. Okay, because you better understand theoretically also and practically also. Okay. After that, for this condition is for number 1. Again new condition for number 2. For that we write here else if statement. If you have more than 2 conditions, then you use else if ladder. I will making new video for this else if ladder and if statement, flowchart, etc. Else if ladder, in else if ladder for number 2, don't write here a double quote. Number 2 is greater than number 1 and number 2 is greater than number 3. Here what I condition right here, number 2 is greater than number 1 and number 2 is greater than number 3, means number 2 is greater than in both conditions. Again you write here number 2 is greater. Okay, after that new condition is for number 3. Again write else if your conditions are increases, means more than 2 conditions, then you write else if. If your more conditions are there, you write again and again else if statement. Okay, if your only 2 conditions, then you write only if and else. After that condition for number 3 is greater than number 1 and number 3 is greater than number 2. Here in both conditions number 3 is greater than number 1 and number 3 is greater than number 2. 1 greater than 1 and 2. Again write printf statement, number 3 is greater here. Okay, now we write conditions, number 1 is greater than number 2 and 3, number 2 is greater than number 1 and 3, number 3 is greater than number 1 and 2. But new condition also come here, that is all numbers are equal. Okay, again write here only one condition is remaining here, else in printf statement all numbers are equal. All numbers are equal. This condition also come here. Okay, and void main closing bracket will come here. Okay, you understood this program manually better. I will explain in practical also. Okay, this video I have to make for before explaining the program greatest of 3 numbers and finding the number is even or odd. I forgot that. Now I explaining this if else syntax of if else. So first starting from starting, write a if keyword and here will come condition. What I write there, I write there a condition, that is number is even or odd. I write there number is mod by 2 is equal to 0, that number is even. In else part that number is odd. In if statement or if condition, here will not come double quote. Okay, and will not come semicolon. Only if keyword and condition will come here. After that opening closing curly bracket and some statements are come here, that is number is even or odd, will statement will come here. In else part else will not have condition and else statements will come here. Okay, after that else if ladder will use here. I write a program of else if ladder, that is greatest of 3 numbers. Else if ladder is used here because you have more than 3 conditions or more than 2 conditions, that time you use a else if ladder. For that, if same starting is same for same is if else statement, if condition statement will come here. After that again else if here we write again condition. If this condition is true, else if statement will run. Starting if this condition is true, if statement will execute. After that else if condition will true, else if statement will execute, or else if loop will execute. Not it's not called as a loop statement. Okay, after that again else if this condition will true, again else if statement will execute, and these will condition only one condition will remaining. For that we write here else statement, else remaining part will execute in else part. Okay, starting that is first if condition will true, if block will execute, else if condition will true, else if block will execute, else if condition will true, else if block will execute, and remaining condition means that remaining condition will not come in these 3 conditions, will come in else part and that execute in else part. Okay, after that for if statement flowchart for I will told previously. I will explain flowchart of these two conditions, or these two if else statement and else if ladder. If your for that, in here, what is the flowchart? Flowchart means your how to run your program, how to execute your program, how to write logic of your program will understand better using flowchart. And also have it is also have a 2-3 marks in exam. Okay, if here will come condition, this condition will true after else block block if statements block will execute. Okay, if this condition will true, and if this condition will false, else block will execute. Okay, what I tell here, if condition will true, if block will execute. If this condition will not true, else block will execute. Same as else if ladder also use. For else if ladder, it is called as ladder because here else if will come 2-3 times. For because of that we called here else if ladder. Here same, starting is same. If statement or if condition will true, then if block will execute if this condition is true, and if this condition will false, then else if block will use. Here condition is else if block. If this condition again false, new else if block come here, this will execute. If this will also false, again new else if block come here, and if condition else if will our condition will finish, only one condition will remaining, that time last part will come here, that is else part, and then else block will execute here. Okay, first I explaining you how to find number is even or odd using C program. Here hash include stdio.h header file, then void main, int no variable I take here, enter I writing here statement printf enter number and accepting a number using scanf %d ampersand number. After if statement, here condition is number means variable no mod 2 equal to 0, means here if number enter number is divided by 2 or remainder is 0, then printf number is even. If this condition is false, then compiler will come in else part and print number is odd. I take here a output of even number, enter number, I entered a number is 6, and message will print here number is even. Also I print number is entered number is odd, I enter a number that is 9 and number is odd is display here. Okay, and also I explain greatest of 3 numbers. Here same, starting is same here in program. I accept 3 numbers, that is number 1, number 2, number 3. I take here variable n1, n2, n3. n1 is for number 1, n2 is for number 2, and n3 is for number 3. I put here a message, that is enter 3 numbers and accepting a number in n1, n2, n3 variable. First condition is if n1 means number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 1 is greater than number 3. Here logical AND is used. This is used for combining these two conditions. Logical AND is used for combining these two conditions, that is number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 1 is greater than number 3. If this condition is false, means number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 1 is greater than number 3, then print %d is greater. %d means number 1. Here number 1 is greater. After this condition is this condition is false, then compiler will come in else if condition. Here I take here number 2 is greater than number 1 and number 2 is greater than number 3. Is if this condition is true, compiler will print percent is greater means number 2 is greater. If this condition will false, compiler again come in next else if ladder, that is number 3 is greater than number 1 and number 3 is greater than number 2. Then here compiler will print percent is greater means number 3 is greater. If these three conditions are false, then compiler will come in else part, that is all numbers are equal. And I take a screenshot of this program and also I take a screenshot of output. I here print enter three numbers, that is 33, 55, 44. Here second number is greater, it will print here 55 is greater. After I take first number greater, enter three numbers, that is 88, 77, 66. First number, that is 88 is greater. First, second and last here 44, 55, 66 I take here 66 is greater. After that I take three numbers, that is 10, 10, 10. All numbers are equal here. Okay, you understand what I say here, how to write if statement, else if ladder, and how to run this program. For that I take a screenshot of output also and program also. Okay, thank you.